Hi, welcome to our channel of IGNOU Audiobooks, Indira Gandhi National Open University, School of Interdisciplinary and Transdisciplinary Studies, SOITS, Master of Arts, Environmental Studies, MAEVS. First year, MEVO14 Sustainable Natural Resource Management. Block 1 Natural Resources, Unit 3 Mineral Resources, 3.0 Introduction. Earth materials are vital to man. From the earliest times down to the present, the ascent of man, his growing culture and civilization has been closely linked with minerals and other earth materials. The earth materials include minerals, rocks, fossil fuels, water, etc. Minerals are valuable natural resources being finite and non-renewable and constitute the vital raw materials for many basic industries. The mineral deposits of a country are its natural wealth and are a major resource for development and prosperity. Use of mineral resources has to be closely integrated with the complete strategy of development, and exploitation of minerals is to be guided by long-term national goals and perspectives. India, like all other countries of the world, is not self-sufficient in all of her mineral requirements. Every year the country spends billions of rupees in importing minerals like lead, copper, zinc and oil etc. At the same time, India exports minerals like iron, aluminium, magnesium, gemstones, etc. In this unit, you would study about some commonly used minerals in our day-to-day life and its industrial utilization. 3.1 Objectives. After studying this unit, you should be able to fill circle define minerals and its types, distinguish the metallic and non-metallic minerals, discuss about energy and nuclear minerals, and fill circle identify the Indian occurrences and uses of metallic and non-metallic minerals. 3.2 Minerals. Minerals are an important part of our everyday life and make up most of the earth. We use minerals in everyday purposes. For example, the copper in the wires that transmit electricity to the appliance is made from a mineral. Table salt or halite is another mineral that people use in their everyday life. Metal products are used in various commodities, machinery, essential components to building materials such as limestone, granite, gravel etc. and in fertilizer to enrich the growth of agricultural crops. A mineral is a homogeneous substance, having a definite chemical composition, a definite atomic structure, distinctive physical properties and formed naturally by geological processes. Thus, a mineral is a chemical compound with a given composition and a defined crystal structure. A mineral deposit is a mass of mineral or aggregates of minerals. Minerals which are of economic value are called economic minerals. Minerals are different from rocks. A rock is a mixture of one or several minerals, in varying proportions. The study of minerals, i.e. the properties of mineral, its chemistry, crystal structure, physical and optical properties of minerals is called mineralogy. Types of minerals. Minerals are divided into metallic and non-metallic minerals. Mineral deposits include both metalliferous and non-metalliferous deposits. The metalliferous deposits, also known as ore deposits, are bodies of metallic minerals of appreciable size concentrated to be profitably worked. An ore is an aggregation of metallic minerals and unwanted minerals, which may be extracted profitably, for e.g. hematite is an ore of iron. 3.3 Metallic minerals. Metallic minerals exhibit luster in their appearance and consist of metals in their chemical composition. These minerals serve as a potential source of metal and can be extracted through mining. Examples of metallic minerals are manganese, iron ore and bauxite. Metallic minerals are further divided into ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. 3.3.1 Ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals are one that contains iron and are magnetic and give little resistance to corrosion. Examples of ferrous minerals are iron ore, manganese, nickel, cobalt, titanium, chromium, tungsten, molybdenum, vanadium, etc. A few minerals are discussed below. Iron. Iron is the most abundant metal, consisting about 45% of the Earth's crust next to aluminium. It is rarely found in native condition except in meteorites and some eruptive rocks. The mineral containing iron must be mineable at profit in order to be called an iron ore. Metallic iron is unaffected by dry air, but oxidizes to rust under the influence of moist air. In nature, iron occurs in four principal forms, i.e. oxides, carbonates, sulfides and silicates. The chief iron ores are hematite, Fe2O3, magnetite, Fe3O4, limonite, 2 iron 4 oxide 0.3 hydrogen oxide, siderite. Iron 2 carbonate, Fe, goethite, Fe2O3, H2O, and pyrite, iron 4 sulfide. Distribution in India. In India, a wide-ranging deposits of iron ore of good quality occur in Bihar, Orissa, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Goa, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Isolated deposits have also been recorded in some parts of Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and Haryana. In Bihar, hematite iron ore occur in the iron ore series of Singhbhum, which extends from Singhbhum, Bihar, to Keonjhar and Mayurbhanj and Bone districts of Orissa. Keonjhar ore deposits of Orissa are the most important and occur as banded hematite jasper, BHJ, and banded hematite quartzites, BHQ. This is the biggest known occurrence of the iron ore in India. Massive hematite ore associated with banded hematite quartzites occur in Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh in the districts of Bastar and Durg respectively. In Karnataka, banded iron ore formation with good hematite iron ore deposits occurs in districts of Bellary Hospate, Shimoga, Chitradurga and Chikmagalur. In Rajasthan, banded iron ore formation with hematite ore occurs in districts of Udaipur, Alwar and Bundi. Magnetite ore is found in Salam, Tiruchirappalli. Some important hematite iron ore deposits are found in Ratnagiri district, Maharashtra in association with ferruginous quartzites. Uses. The iron ores are mainly used in manufacture of iron and steel, ferro alloys, etc. Hematite and magnetite and other iron minerals are used in paint industries and for coating and welding rods. Pyrite is used in the manufacture of sulfuric acid. Magnetite is used in coal washeries. Siderite is used for the generation of hydrogen, etc. Iron ore is also used in the manufacture of stainless steel, a ferro alloy from iron, nickel and chromium. Manganese. Manganese is widely distributed in Earth's crust in the form of oxides, carbonates and silicates. Manganese ore is usually a black lumpy mass, which may be compact or loose, and generally contain inclusions of gangue. The manganese ore fascinated the attention of the industry for the first time as raw materials for medicines, paints, etc. at the end of 18th century. India is self-sufficient in this mineral and is one of the chief producers of manganese and ranked 6th in the world production. The three common ore minerals of manganese are pyrolusite, MnO2, closing parenthesis, dot, salomolane, MnO2, colloidal, brownite, manganese 6 oxide, manganese 2 metasilicate. Distribution in India. In India, important deposits of manganese ores have been exploited in Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Goa, Gujarat and Rajasthan. In India, 3 types manganese deposits are found. Manganese ore deposits are associated with the Archean rocks, metamorphosed with gondite of Goa, Sangam district, and occurs in Balaghat, Jhabua and Chhindwara districts of Madhya Pradesh, Panchmahals and Baroda district of Gujarat, Chhindwara, Balaghat, and Jhabua districts of Madhya Pradesh, Chitradurga, Chikmagalur, Tumkar, Kadur, Shimoga, Bellary, Davao, Bijapur and Belgaum. Districts of Karnataka, Keonjhar, Sandaga, Ganjam and Koraput. District of Orissa, Nagpur and Bhandara districts of Maharashtra. Manganese ore deposits occur in association with Archean rocks. Khodolite, in association with the Khodurite of Andhra Pradesh, Srikakulam and Vishakhapatnam districts. Lateritoid deposits occurs as manganiferous Archean rocks. Associated with iron minerals are found in Singhbhum district of Bihar, Keonjhar and Bone in Odisha, Mysore and few other places. Nodular deposits occur as manganese nodules at the sea bottom. Uses. Manganese is an essential constituent of steel and ferro alloy metals. About 95% manganese produced in the world is used in steel making. It improves the strength, toughness, hardness and workability of the steel, acts as deoxidizer and desulfurizer. Manganese steel are used where hardness and toughness are desired, such as in armor, plates, projectiles, car wheels, cutting and grinding, machinery, etc. Manganese ore is also used for manufacturing dry cell batteries. Manganese soles are used in photography and in leather and match industries. Manganese chloride is used in cotton textile as a bronze dye. Pyrolusite is generally used in glazes for pottery and making colored bricks. Nickel. Nickel is important for the manufacture of nickel steels and is regarded as one of the strategic metals. Nickel does not occur in native state. Pure nickel is silver white and has a metallic luster. Nickel is an important constituent metal for the manufacture of certain magnetic alloys and non-magnetic alloys. It is malleable and ductile, and does not oxidize in air. Nickel ore is formed by residual concentrations of nickel silicates. from the weathering of ultra-basic igneous rocks by replacement and magmatic injection. Indian requirements of nickel as well as its alloys were met through imports. The important nickel-bearing minerals are I. Pentlandite, Fe 9, S8, the commercially important nickel mineral. E. Nickelite, NiAs, the nickel arsenide. E. Pyrrhotite, nickeliferous iron. Sulfide, IV, garnierite, nickeliferous serpentine. V. Millerite, Nis. V. Violarite, knife. 3. O4. Distribution in India. In India, nickel is found associated with laterites of Odisha, copper ores of Andhra Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan and Manipur, ultra-basic rocks of Andaman, Gujarat, and Maharashtra, North Kanara district, and sulfide ores of Jammu and Kashmir, Doda and Ladakh districts, Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. It is also found in weathered talc schist and serpentinite of Bhitardari region, Singhbhum and Dhanbad districts of Bihar. Uses. The main use of nickel is in the form of alloys with other metals, e.g. German silver, an alloy of copper, nickel and zinc, monal metal, an alloy of copper and nickel brasses, nickel bronzes, etc. Nickel is preferred for many machines, tools, shafts, automobiles, aeroplanes, ships, railways, armor plates, etc. It is used in cooking utensils, electrodes, electrical storage, coinage, batteries, electroplating, nickel plating, and its salts are used in chemical industry. IV cobalt. Cobalt is important for its magnetic property. It is a metal of strategic importance due to its ability to impart hardness and corrosive resistance to alloys at high temperature. It is a malleable metal and resembles nickel in appearance and a tin white colored hard mineral. It is recovered as byproduct of other ores, chiefly zinc, copper and silver. There is no domestic production of cobalt ore or metal and, hence, the demand is met through imports. Commercial minerals of cobalt are lignite, cobaltite, smoltite, apsalite, cobaltiferous manganese oxide. Distribution in India. Cobalt ore occurs in Khetri copper belt in Rajasthan, Singhbhum district of Bihar, Keonjhar and Kalahandi in Odisha, Jhabua and Hosangabad districts of Madhya Pradesh and Sikkim. Uses. Cobalt is used as the major alloying element in making special steels and desired specially for magnet steel, 35% of use, rustless and corrosion-resisting steel, high-speed anti-corrosive steel for metal cutting, welding rods, disc and valve steel, temperature-resisting and carbide-type alloys. Beryllium copper alloy containing cobalt has high electrical conductivity, and tungsten carbide used for many important operations like drilling and mining are bonded by cobalt powder. Cobalt is used to certain extent in electroplating, in the manufacture of pigments employed in glass, ceramic, fertilizer, enamel and pottery industries. 3.3.2 Non-ferrous minerals. Non-ferrous minerals are one that does not contain iron in appreciable amount. Important non-ferrous metals includes aluminium, copper, lead, nickel, tin, titanium and zinc. Precious metals such as gold, silver and platinum, and rare metals such as cobalt, mercury, tungsten, cadmium, vanadium, zirconium etc. are also non-ferrous. I. Copper. Copper is regarded as one of the most important non-ferrous earliest metal used by man for making agricultural tools, weapons and domestic utensils during the Bronze Age. Copper ores are hardly found in pure state. Chalcopyrite, Cu-Fes2, is the single most important ore of copper, although there are many other minerals that contain copper. The chief gangue minerals are quartz, calcite, dolomite, barite, siderite, rhodochrosite, pyrite and iron oxides. Associated ore minerals are galena, sphalerite and occasionally traces of silver and gold. The metal is of great importance in industry due to its ductility, malleability, resistance to corrosion, high tensile strength, high thermal conductivity, high electrical conductivity, ability of high polish and making many alloys like brass, alloy of copper and zinc, bronze, alloy of copper, zinc and tin, and German silver, alloy of copper, nickel and zinc. Distribution in India. The Singhbhum copper belt of Bihar extends for about 15 kilometers, is made up of epidiorite and quartz chloride schist as a country rock, in which chalcopyrite is the main copper sulfide. And the gangue minerals are quartz, chlorite, biotite and apatite. The Khetri copper belt of Rajasthan is about 80 kilometers long and comprises of 3 highly mineralized sections, Madhan, Kalibhan and Akhwali. In Madhya Pradesh, Balaghat district, copper mineralization is in the form of malachite encrustations and also disseminations of chalcopyrite and other sulfides. Copper ores also occurs in Darjeeling of West Bengal, in Ringpo in Sikkim, Manipur, Chitaldurg district of Karnataka, Garhwal and Almora districts of Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat and Jammu and Kashmir. Uses: copper is used in electrical industries, in coinage, paint industries, making alloys, for making pipes and containers, in chemical industries, etc. Copper sulfate is used for electric battery solutions, for copper plating, germicides and various chemical processes. Copper chloride is a powerful disinfectant. Lead and zinc ores occur in nature in close association with each other as polymetallic sulfides. Lead is a heavy, easily fusible metallic element of dull bluish-gray color, obtained from lead ore minerals by roasting in a furnace. Zinc is an industrial non-ferrous metal and is a bluish, white and brittle metal. The most common ore of lead is galena, PBS, and of zinc is sphalerite. Distribution in India: in Rajasthan, lead-zinc ores occur in well-known Zawar lead-zinc belt, which extends for about 20 km covering areas like Mochia Mogra, Baroi Mogra, Balaria and Zawar Mala. The rocks traversing the area are dolomite and phyllites, but mineralization of lead and zinc sulfides is solely confined to the former rock type, whereas the adjoining phyllites are almost barren. Besides Rajasthan, lead and zinc ores have been reported from Himachal Pradesh, Kangada district, Karnataka, Hassan, Chitaldurg district, Uttar Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Kumaon and Almora, Tamil Nadu, South Arcot, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, Durg district. Uses: lead is used in the manufacture of lead metal, rubber, pigment, pottery, enamel and are also used in iron steel industries. In medicine, electric storage batteries etc. Zinc is used for coating, galvanizing, in soldering, in dyeing, glue making, in preventing decay in wood, in the manufacture of toothpaste tubes, etc. Zinc is used in the manufacture of various types of alloys with other metals. The alloys are known as brass, bronze, German silver, etc. Gold. Gold was the earliest metal to be mined by the mankind. Gold occurs free in nature. The metal also occurs in association with silver, copper, bismuth, mercury and other metals. The economic gold minerals are native gold and minor amounts of gold amalgam, tellurides and electrum. The tellurides include silvanite, calaverite, petsite and nagyagite. Native gold occurs in veins and as detrital or alluvial deposits. The tellurides and auriferous sulfides also occur in veins. The gold is also associated with pyrite, pyrrhotite and arsenopyrite. Distribution in India: the important gold fields are Kolar Gold Field and Hathi Gold Field of Karnataka. Some other important gold fields are Dawa Gold Field in Karnataka, Vinad Gold Field in Tamil Nadu, Kundra Kocha Gold Field in Singhbhum district and Lower Gold Field in Dhanbad district of Bihar, Ramagiri Gold Field in Andhra Pradesh. Alluvial deposits of gold are found in the beds of Subarnarekha River in Singhbhum district of Bihar, Subansiri River of Assam, Indus River in Jammu and Kashmir, Son, Dio and Ib rivers of Madhya Pradesh. Rivers Koraput and Sambalpur districts of Orissa. Uses: gold is widely used for ornamentation and monetary purposes. It is used in the industry due to its properties like ductility, malleability, high electrical conductivity, resistance to corrosion and decorative color. Gold can be drawn to very thin leaves and long wire due to its softness. It is also used in the chemical industry, in the preparation of medicine, for dentistry and glass making. Pure gold is not used in industrial purpose because of its softness and usually used as gold alloys with other metals. IV silver. Silver is one of the precious metal next to gold and is known to man since time immemorial. It is recovered as a product of gold, lead, zinc and copper at the time of mining operations and during smelting and concentration of lead-zinc ores. Silver occurs in native state, but it also occurs in combination with other metals such as gold, copper, mercury, platinum, bismuth, etc. The important silver ore minerals are I. Argentite, silver 1 sulfide, a sulfide of silver. E. Stephanite, Ag5. Antimony 8 sulfide, a sulfide of silver. And antimony, E. Proutite, Ag3. As3, a sulfide of silver and arsenic, IV. Pyragyrite, Ag3. Antimony 6 sulfide. Distribution in India: silver ores occur as replacement deposits, contact metamorphic deposits and as veins and as alluvials. It is found associated with lead and zinc and with copper and gold. India depends largely on foreign imports for silver. Smelting of galena ore. In zinc smelter in Zawar mines in Udaipur district of Rajasthan is the major producer of silver. Another major silver producer is the lead smelter in Dhanbad district of Jharkhand. The Maubandar smelter in Singhbhum district of Jharkhand obtains silver from copper slimes. Silver is also produced by Vizag zinc smelter in Andhra Pradesh from the lead concentrates. Some silver is produced by Kolar gold fields and Hutti gold mines. Uses: silver is used for monetary purposes, ornaments, silverwares, in chemicals, for soldering, bearing, in electric industry, in dentistry, in surgery, etc. Silver soles are used in photography, in medicines, for coloring glass, etc. Version platinum. Platinum is one of the precious metals and occurs in native state and also occurs in combination with other elements as compounds. It is a grayish-white lustrous metal. To distinguish it from stainless steel, ferric chloride, iron 3 chloride, is used. The solution of iron 3 chloride has no effect on platinum, but it reacts with stainless steel and leaves a gray stain. Sperrylite, PTAS2, is the only commercially important platinum mineral. Platinum is not found in pure form, occurs with copper, iron, rhodium, iridium, palladium and other metals. Distribution in India. In India platinum is rare. However, a few stray occurrences have been reported from the sands of Noording River in Assam, in the sands along the Gurm River in Bihar. Kolar mines of Karnataka have shown traces of platinum. Platinum is also reported from some parts of Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and West Bengal. Uses: platinum is a precious metal and used in jewelry, in electric industry, dentistry, as catalyzer in chemical industry, as currency, etc. 3.4 Non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals are usually not so hard and minerals which either show a non-metallic luster or shine in their appearance and do not yield new products. On melting, the non-metallic minerals include a wide variety of minerals and are useful for different industries. The application is varied and almost all industries require these minerals. The non-metallic minerals are classified on the basis of their effectiveness, usefulness and purpose for which the minerals are used. Some of them are mica, gypsum, granite, limestone, marble, graphite, dolomite, feldspar, sandstone, etc. A few non-metallic minerals are discussed below. Mica. Mica is a mineral of strategic importance and India is one of the major producers of mica. It is an important group of rock-forming minerals chiefly composed of orthosilicates of aluminium with potassium, magnesium, iron with hydrogen, etc. The mica group of minerals include muscovite, potash mica, Fig. 3.4, biotite, ferromagnesium mica, phlogopite, magnesium mica, lepidolite, lithium mica, zinwaldite, iron mica, vermiculite, jeffosite, roscolite, vanadium mica, fuchsite, chrome mica, etc. Mica minerals occur as dikes or veins of mica pegmatites in the form of thick sheets and masses. Muscovite is soft, sheet-like elastic material with excellent insulating properties against heat and electricity. Distribution in India. In India, workable deposits of mica have been reported mainly from Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan. Less significance mica is also reported from states of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala and West Bengal. Most productive mica is reported from Kodarma mica belt of Bihar that stretches from Gaya district on the west through Hazaribagh and Munger districts to Bhagalpur district on the east. The Nellore mica belt of Nellore district, Andhra Pradesh, is another mica producing area. The Rajasthan mica belt extends from Jaipur to Udaipur district through Ajmer, Bhilwara and Pali districts. In many other states of the country mica occurs in good abundance associated with pegmatites. Uses: due to its splitting property together with low heat conductivity, flexibility, toughness and high dielectric strength make micas maximum use in electrical industry as insulators. Sheet mica is used to make quartz wedge plate. Ground mica is also employed as absorbent, dusting powder, packing material. It is also used as in wallpaper, roofing, paper paints, drill muds, lubricants, etc. E-limestone. Limestones are sedimentary rocks composed of either calcium carbonate, carbonate of calcium and magnesium, or mixtures of the two. There are varieties of limestone like calcitic limestone, dolomitic limestone, marlstone, limestone containing higher percentage of clay, oolitic limestone, contain oolite. The other types are arenaceous limestone, ferruginous limestone, argillaceous limestone, fossiliferous limestone, Fig. 3.5, carbonaceous limestone etc. Distribution in India. More than two-thirds of India's production of limestone comes from the states of Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat and Chhattisgarh. Good quality limestone occurs in Jabalpur, Bastar, Rewa, Gwalior, Balaghat, Indore, Bilaspur, Dhar, Sagar, Betul districts in Madhya Pradesh. In Gujarat, good quality of limestone is found in Palanpur Taluka of Banaskantha district, in Kheda and in Panchmahals districts, Udaipur, Ajmer, Bikaner, Alwar, Dungapur, Jodhpur, Pali, Kota, Bikaner districts of Rajasthan. In Tamil Nadu, large reserves of limestones are found in Ramanathapuram, Tirunelveli, Tiruchirappalli, Salem, Coimbatore, Madurai and Thanjavur districts. Some less important limestones are found in states of Bihar, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Assam and Meghalaya. Uses. Limestone is used for the manufacture of cement, in iron and steel industry as a flux, in chemicals, paper, fertilizer, and ferromanganese industries, for manufacture of calcium carbide, in sugar industry, in production of metallic calcium. Some amount of ground limestone is used in abrasives, e. Sandstone. Sandstone is a sedimentary rock and is made of compacted sand. It is composed mostly of quartz sand, but it can also contain significant amounts of feldspar, and sometimes silt and clay. Fig. 3.6. Distribution in India. India is among the leading countries when it comes to mining and export of sandstone. The best part with sandstone from India is that it is found in almost all states of India and available in different colors and considered best for interior as well as exterior use. Good quality sandstone reserves in India are found over the states of Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Bihar, Gujarat, Haryana, Karnataka, Orissa, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Tamil Nadu and West Bengal. Uses. Sandstone can be cut, carved and polished for different applications. It is a building material that is reliable and long-lasting. It is used as decorative tiles. Sandstone of fine quartzite and even texture are used as grinding stones, sharpening hones, millstones and pulp stones. It is used in production of the glass products, blended concretes and gravels. IV. Marble. Marble is a metamorphic rock composed of recrystallized carbonate minerals, most commonly calcite or dolomite. It is one of the oldest building materials used in decoration of monument and building construction. Nowadays in urban environment there is intensive and widespread use of this natural stone. It is white in color, but it may show wide range of colors due to various contained impurities. Fig. 3.7. Italy is the world's largest producer of marble. Distribution in India. In India, marble occurrence of economic importance is restricted to few states like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Haryana, Andhra Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. Workable deposits of marble have been reported from Nagaur, Udaipur, Pali, Banswara, Alwar, Ajmer, Bundi and Sikar districts of Rajasthan. In Gujarat, Ambaji area, Banaskantha district is the leading producer. There are several localities where inferior quality marble is found in Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. Uses. Marble is commonly used for sculpture and as a building material. Nowadays, marble has been widely used for kitchen countertops and worktops. 3.5 Energy minerals. The energy minerals are minerals, metals, rocks and hydrocarbons, both solids and liquids, that are extracted from the earth and used in a wide range of industries. Energy minerals are used to produce electricity, fuel for transportation, heating for homes and offices or for the manufacture of plastics. Energy minerals include coal, petroleum and natural gas and are essentially non-renewable resources of energy. Coal and lignite. Coal occupies an important position in the Indian mineral industry. It is one of the principal minerals and is the primary source of energy and power. It is the main raw material for thermal energy. Coal deposits of India are associated with sandstone and shales of freshwater origin and very few coal formations are associated with limestone. Coal may be well defined as plant debris that has been exposed to various biochemical and geological processes due to which it has experienced significant changes in the physical properties and chemical composition. Chemically, coal is composed of various proportions of carbon, oxygen, hydrogen with small amounts of nitrogen and sulfur, carbon being the major component. Some varieties of coal are very rich in volatile matter. Such high volatile coal on heating in air-free atmosphere is converted to coke. The percentage of carbon, hydrogen, volatiles and moisture content determine the rank of coal. The rank of coal from peat to anthracite shows a gradual increase of carbon content and decrease in volatiles, oxygen, hydrogen and water. Distribution in India. On the basis of their occurrence relative to geological age, coal deposits of India are classified into lower Gondwana coals and tertiary coals, the former being of great economic importance. Gondwana coal fields occur in Burdwan, Raniganj and Asansol, Bankura and Darjeeling, Bagrakote and Teendharia districts of West Bengal. The famous coal field Raniganj coalfield is situated 210 km from Kolkata. Jharia, Bokaro, Ramgarh, Karanpura, Deoghar, Giridih, Rajmahal, Daltonganj, Hatar, Aurangabad. In Bihar, Jharia coalfield is situated in Dhanbad district of Bihar and this is regarded as the most important coalfields of India. Talcher coalfield may be described as the most important coalfield of Odisha. Dafla, Abor and Akka Hills coalfields of Assam and Meghalaya. Ranjit Valley in Sikkim, South Rewa, Jilmilli, Pench Valley, Kanhan Valley of Madhya Pradesh, Kota coalfields of Uttar Pradesh, Wardha Valley. Coalfields of Maharashtra. The Singareni coalfield is the important coalfield of South India that lies in the Khamman district of Andhra Pradesh. Fig. 3.8. The tertiary coals are found in the states of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Mikir Hills, Garo Hills, Khasi Hills, Cherrapunji, and Mawlong coalfields of Meghalaya, Himachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Umritsar, Kutch, in Gujarat and Jammu and Kashmir. Makum coalfield is most important tertiary coalfield of Assam. Neyveli lignite field in Akot district of Tamil Nadu is the important lignite deposits in the country. Uses. Coals are used mainly as domestic fuel. Sizable quantities of coal are consumed in railways and brick manufacturing. Its major use is in thermal power plants, steam locomotives, iron, steel and cement industries. It is used in fertilizer, chemical and paper industries, glass, textile, refractory, cosmetics, asbestos products, ferro alloys, rubber, sugar alloy steel, electrical, paint, abrasive, ceramic, insecticides etc. Lignites are used in industry for distillation and gasification. Coal is also converted into hard coke for metallurgical purposes. Byproducts of coal obtained during carbonization of coal are coal gas, volatile oil, tar, ammonia, naphthalene, light oil, benzene, xylene, naphtha, toluene, etc. Petroleum. Petroleum, popularly known as liquid gold, also called rock oil, is a natural fuel or a mineral fuel or fossil fuel. It is a mixture of hydrocarbons and some other compounds that occur in a liquid form, entrapped within the rocks of the surface of the earth. Liquid petroleum is called crude oil. It consists chiefly of the liquid hydrocarbons, with varying amounts of dissolved gases, bitumens, and impurities. The source rocks of petroleum are called sapropellites, which are also known as black muds. Reservoir rocks are the sites for the accumulation of petroleum. Accumulation of petroleum occurs only in porous and permeable rocks. Distribution in India. Like many other countries, India is also oil deficient and imports huge quantities annually to meet its demands. At present, oil is extracted from oil fields of Assam and Gujarat. In Assam, oil is extracted from the oil fields of Digboi, Nahorkatia, Maran, Rudsagar, Lakwa, Rudsagar and Geleki. There are 4 oil refineries in Assam: Digboi Refinery, Guwahati Refinery, Bongaigaon Refinery and Numaligarh Refinery. Other well-known oil and gas fields are the Ankleshwar oil field of Gujarat, the Cambay gas fields, the Kalol oil field, the Nawagam oil field, the Bombay High oil and gas field. The Bombay High oil field is about 190 km in the NW of Mumbai city and is in Indian Ocean. The basin and delta regions of The Krishna, Godavari and Kaveri rivers hold great perspective for oil and gas production. Other promising oil fields discoveries was made in Banna district of Rajasthan and Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra. Uses. Petroleum is used as primary source of heat and energy. It is the main raw material in the petrochemical industry. It is used as motor fuel, domestic fuel, used to generate electricity. It is used in fertilizer, insecticides, in industries of chemicals, medicines, resins, dyes, detergent, antiseptic, textiles, explosives, rubber, etc. 3.6 Nuclear minerals. In the developed countries, atomic energy is the main source for nuclear power generation. Very few minerals are really important as a source of atomic energy. The chief radioactive elements are uranium and thorium. Radioactivity is a property possessed by elements of high atomic number, greater than 82, or atomic weight. e.g. uranium, thorium, radium etc. I. Uranium and thorium. Uranium is not found in native state but it occurs in combination with other elements as compounds. It is one of the heaviest metals with specific gravity 18.68. U-238, U-235 and U-234 are the three isotopes of uranium minerals and it is accompanied by radium. The chief uranium minerals are pitchblende, black massive mineral; uranite, crystalline variety of pitchblende; taubonite, hydrated phosphate of uranium and copper; autunite, sulfur yellow-colored, carnotite; hydrous vandate of potassium and uranium; thorionite, 10 to 35% of uranium content; samarskite, about 9 to 20% of uranium content. Thorium is gray-black colored heavy metal with specific gravity 11.3. Emits radiation similar to those of radium. It is related to titanium and is usually associated with cerium. Like uranium, it is also not found in nature. In free state, the chief thorium minerals are monazite, a phosphate of cerium metals, Ce, La, Yt, PO4, with thoria THO2, and silica silicon oxide, thorionite, Tho2, U3, O8, thorite, Theo4, allanite, small traces of thorium. Distribution in India. In India, uranium minerals occur in exploitable quantities in Bihar in various forms in Gaya and Singhabhum district. In Rajasthan, the uraninite mineralized zones are located at Udaipur, Bhilwara, Ajmer, Alwar, Junjunu and Dungarpur districts. Dissemination of uraninite has also been reported from Rampur district of Himachal Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Jammu and Kashmir. Thorium group of minerals, particularly allanite, has been reported from some parts of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Monazite has been witnessed in beach sands of coastal area of Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Orissa. Uses. The radioactive isotopes of uranium and thorium are being increasingly used in research, chemical industry, agriculture and medicine. Uranium is used in the manufacture of nuclear weapons. Uranite, carnotite, etc. are used in the treatment of cancer, in certain X-ray apparatus. It is used in glass staining, for glazes, for luminous paints, in photography, in dyeing etc. Like uranium, thorium is also used in atomic industry in X-ray apparatus, in manufacture of gas mantles, in photoelectric, etc. 3.7 Mineral exploitation. With increasing population and the desire of hundreds of millions of people in developing countries to raise their standard of living, are resulting in increasing demands for food, natural resources, construction materials and energy day by day. Exploitation of mineral wealth at a rapid rate shall naturally deplete mineral resources. Are good quality deposits. The resources, i.e. oil, gas, metals and minerals we obtain from the Earth's crust today are products that have accumulated over the last billions of years. Conservation and substitution is an effort to utilize mineral resources available in the best possible way, depending upon the industrial needs and changing technological requirements. Thus, minerals being a valuable resource, the extraction of mineral resources located through exploration and prospecting has to be maximized through scientific methods of mining, beneficiation and economic utilization. Proper management can ensure that the natural resources are used judiciously, so that they fulfill the needs of present generation and also last for the generations to come. The Ministry of Mines, MOM, Government of India is responsible for the entire minerals and mining sector in the country, that includes survey and exploration of all minerals, legislation, administration, policy formulation, etc. in respect of all mines and minerals including offshore minerals other than coal, natural gas, and petroleum. Mine reclamation. Despite being an important economic activity, mining activities causes physical, chemical, biological and socio-economical changes in the area. Surface mining activities disturb the original land profile. Mine reclamation is the process of re-establishing or returning the land that has been mined to a natural or economically useful purpose. It is a process of taking some mitigation measures for disturbed environmental condition created through mining activities. The process of mine reclamation occurs once mining is completed, but the planning of mine reclamation activities occurs prior to a mine being permitted or started. Effective reclamation is necessary and, if conducted properly, can restore scraped land to its former state. It has become standard practice to establish an environmentally safe area where the mine used to be acceptable post-mining land. Uses include reforestation, adding vegetation, agricultural or public facility improvements, commercial, residential, recreational and ensuring no environmentally unfriendly agents remain. 3.8 Summary. Let us sum up what we have studied in this unit. Filled circle. A mineral is a homogeneous substance having a definite chemical composition, a definite atomic structure, distinctive physical properties and formed naturally by geological processes. Minerals which are of economic value are called economic minerals. Minerals are divided into metallic and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are further divided into ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals are one that contains iron and non-ferrous minerals are one that does not contain iron in appreciable amount. Filled circle. Metallic minerals exhibit luster in their appearance and consist of metals in their chemical composition. Non-metallic minerals are usually not so hard, and minerals which either show a non-metallic luster in their appearance and do not yield new products on melting. Iron ore is used in the manufacture of stainless steel, a ferroalloy from iron, nickel and chromium. Manganese steel are used where hardness and toughness are desired, such as in armor plates, projectiles, car wheels, cutting and grinding, machinery, etc. Filled circle. Copper is used in electrical industries, in coinage, paint industries, making alloys, in chemical industries, etc. Lead is used in the manufacture of lead, metal, rubber, pigment, pottery, iron steel industries, in medicine, electric storage batteries, etc. Zinc is used for coating, galvanizing, in soldering, in dyeing, glue making, etc. Filled circle. Gold, silver and platinum are precious metals. They are used for ornamentation, in electric industry, dentistry, as catalyzer in chemical industry, as currency, etc. Filled circle. Limestone, sandstone, granite and marble are commonly used for sculpture and as a building material. Filled circle. Energy minerals include coal, petroleum and natural gas and are essentially non-renewable resources of energy. Coals are used mainly as domestic fuel, and its major use is in thermal power plants, steam locomotives, iron, steel, and cement industries. Petroleum is mainly used as motor fuel, domestic fuel, used to generate electricity. Filled circle. Uranium and thorium are used in atomic industry, in X-ray apparatus, in manufacture of gas mantles, in photoelectric etc. Filled circle. Proper management and utilization can ensure that the natural resources are used judiciously, so that they fulfill the needs of present generation and also last for the generations to come. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.